With road crashes at its highest when compared to the same period last year, the impact on the country's public health facilities is again cause for concern. Anthony Lugg has been speaking with the experts.
Hospitals island-wide have been feeling the pressure over the last few weeks due to motor vehicle crashes. According to data from the National Road Safety Unit, St. James, Westmoreland and St. Anne recorded the most fatalities since the start of the year. And with the holiday season fast approaching, there is heightened fear the numbers will increase. Clinical coordinator at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, Dr. Delroy Frey, noted that the resources are being stretched.
And what I've noted, most of the accidents, they are involved with taxis. But the vast majority of them, taxi with other people. It has to do with hurrying, it has to do with speeding.
The last quarter of the year is usually a period of concern for the management of the facility. In September 2021, the hospital treated 105 motor vehicle accident patients, October 59, and 129 in November. For 2022,
in September we had 94 accidents, October 116, and up until the middle of November, 44. I think that might have gone up to probably over 100 now.
Over the weekend, CEO of the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital, Dennis Morgan, shared a similar plight. Mr. Morgan pointed to the impact on bed spaces as well as other adjustments which have been made to accommodate these patients. Dr. Frey is worried.
The trend in motor vehicle accident presented to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, it presents a serious burden on our health budget. And I want to make a strong plea. We are going into the festive season. I'm asking motorists to be very cautious because it's depleting our resources and we cannot continue at this rate.
Meanwhile, the government announced plans it hopes will reduce carnage on the roads as the festive season draws closer. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.